you're looking at is a Ford Focus MK2 estate car from 2005. The car was not used for almost a year. As you can see, the car is quite overgrown with the weeds. We'll see if we can run it after such a long time. If we are going to drive it somewhere, we will need to inflate the tires. Of course, the battery is discharged, so we can't open the door remotely and we won't go anywhere unless we charge it. This model has the advantage that the hood can be opened with the key, so you don't have to get inside the car. So I thought that I would first charge the battery and then get into the car. I took off the battery cover and went to look for the charger. Unfortunately, as it turned out, I found the battery charger in a closed Focus. The problems continue. The door lock broke and I couldn't get the charger out. Apart from the camera, I tried to use a spare key and poured WD-40 into the lock, but it didn't work either. Of course, I checked all the doors and they were closed. I can't get into the trunk either. I see no other option but to break into the car. And we will do it from the passenger side. We will need some tools. Something stiff to pry open the door. I'll use a masonry chisel. Something soft to protect the bodywork. Pieces of wood or other not too hard objects that we can use as wedges. A hanger made by my grandfather. No more talking, time to start burglary. Central locking opened all the doors. A pried door may not want to open. You must first remove the wedges. Now that we have access to the charger, let's charge the battery. I will leave the battery charging until the next day. I wonder what surprises await us tomorrow. We received a charged battery for a good start to the day. It couldn't be without problems. The remote control does not work. The key has probably been decoded. I will walk you through the coding process. Turn the key in the ignition 4 times until you hear an acoustic signal. Take out the key and press on a button, you will hear an acoustic signal. Insert the key back into the ignition, turn once and remove. Remote control should work. The 1.6 DCI unit, despite not being used for a year, starts without any problems. I'll pump up the tires and go for a test drive. The series of problems continues. It looks like the handbrake is stuck. Here's a surefire way to free a stuck brake. As I said, I hope everything will be fine now. During the test drive, I had the impression that the car had no power. Now I know why. It smells like burnt brake pads. It looks like the brake didn't fully release. The wheel got so hot that it burned. To sum up, all the goals were achieved, the car break-in was successful, the car started and drove. As for the well getting hot, I will deal with it in the next video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked it.